How to log out and erase iPhone before selling. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. You can view and manage your personal information, sign-in and security, payment and shipping, subscriptions and other account settings from here. On this page, scroll down to the end and tap on Sign Out. Here, you can choose if you want to erase this phone after signing out. Select Erase this iPhone as shown. Erasing will sign out of your Apple account and remove your personal data. This will prepare your iPhone for transfer if you're trading, selling or giving it away. Tap on Continue to proceed. Following these steps, you can easily log out and erase iPhone before selling. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.